Welcome to WTOL 11 Your Day. I'm Amanda Faye.
And I'm Diane Phillips.
Happy Monday to you, Diane.
Happy Monday. Did you get some rest over the weekend?
Yeah, it was a good weekend. And, you know, after last week, I think it was a really long, tough sort of week. So got some relaxing in and time to, start a new week here.
Right. I did a whole lot of nothing over the weekend. Last week, I think Ryan can attest that I'm still maybe a little slow from last week. I got a case of the Mondays going on, so maybe I just needed that longer weekend from all that
Maybe
stuff.
like a 3-day weekend would have been nice.
Right, yeah. I feel like the kids, they, had all those snow days. I could have used a snow day today.
I think so too. My daughter definitely didn't want to go back to pre-K this morning. I don't want to go, because you got used to watching television for 3 days. Of course you don't want to go back to school. So that was the situation in our house this morning, is now getting everybody back on their routine. Routine is good. We need to get back to it.
Though it's kind of fun to break the routine when you have a really good setup of just relaxing and maybe a little too much TV, you really do miss the routine when you get kind of out of it for so long.
So how is this week looking, though, as far as weather-wise? Is it going to help us get back into our routines of, curling up with a warm blanket? And
it should. It's still going to be winter outside, but it is at least going to get us back into the office, back into the classroom. Taking a look outside, you can see our roadways, and even in some of our cams, we were able to get a good look at some sun. One of those being in Finley, you can see a little bit of the sun there on the highway, but also into Sandusky, we had a little bit of that glow there. So we are excited to see the little bit of sun, but otherwise the clouds, those are giving us a pretty overcast look on many of our cams. As far as the clouds, they're going to be around. The weekend was fantastic with all the sun that we had, and we'll have a little bit more as we get into Tuesday, but you'll find a little bit of a busier pattern for the back half of the week, and that means that the clouds are going to be here and also some precipitation, rain and snow. But for your Monday, we are going to have some snow showers into your forecast. You're going to see much of that activity into the afternoon and evening. So some of those showers, I'm not anticipating much as far as accumulations, but don't be surprised if you do see some snow flurries in the air. Temperatures a little bit closer to that freezing mark. And as we get settled into our Tuesday, though, fairly quiet weather. We are going to be looking at, though, some partly sunny skies and finally some quiet conditions. So that helps us to get back into that routine, and hopefully then a little bit of sun. It does make it easier on a Tuesday, as we're then not quite to that halfway point in the week. But as far as that busy weather, snow and rain wise, you'll find our temperatures are a little bit active as well. We're going to be seeing them warm up a little bit through the 30s through Wednesday, back into the 20s, up and then down again. The weekend going to be a little bit of a cooler one, but it looks like things are starting to trend upward, at least as far as next week. About a week from now, we could see some of that snowfall finally melt. So you're going to want to make sure that you have that drain out in front of the driveway, kind of clear that out, help yourself out as far as that melt. That should hopefully be gradual and make it easier on us. But right now, your temperatures not going to be melting much, with all of us sitting into the mid to upper 20s. It's 29 in Toledo. We have 21 in Finley, and we have 25 in Port Clinton. Highs this afternoon right around 31 degrees. The clouds, those will be here, but winds should stay light out of the south, and tonight we'll hold on to those westerly winds. It'll be cold, though. Lows falling into the teens once again, and then you'll find those temperatures, those lows to be a little bit warmer, highs to be a little bit warmer, but then you'll find Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday looking at times some rain and snow, but also some snow showers, and we'll be kind of back and forth until we get into next week as that warm up will start to move in.